Hey everybody, this is Wolf over at Wolf Tone Pickups, and today I'm going to show you how to change a magnet in a humbucker the proper way. Over the past few weeks I have seen some videos that show pushing the magnet through the taped end or coming in through the taped end here to push it out there. Well, there's a problem with that, and that problem is that there's a lot of wires in there that can easily get severed. If you push the magnet through like this, you will sever those wires, especially in a braided lead conductor. So here's the proper way to do this. We're going to start by loosening the 4 small brass screws on the bottom. They only need about 1 turn or a half a turn apiece. You don't need to take them completely out. What we're going to do is, you can see that half of the pickup is covered in a 1/2 inch tape and the other half is open. There's no tape. You can see the magnet right here. So we're going to reach in here. I'm just going to use my pair of wire cutters. We're going to slide that out the open end. Then we're going to flip it over. Then we're going to turn the pickup back over. And we're going to snug down those screws again. And that's really all there is to it. You don't ever want to go through the open end and push through like that, because see what's happening with those wires there? Watch, we're going to keep going. Oh my God, they've broken. I see a lot of people on video showing to do it that way. And when they do that, they're just looking for repair money. Thank you and have a good day. Don't screw up your pickups. Bye.